In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to connect QuickBooks Online to PayPal. Let's get started. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and use the search bar to find integrations. Look for a PayPal connector by QuickBooks app. Then click Get Integration Now. Follow the on-screen instructions and select Continue. Next, sign into your PayPal account using your PayPal email address and password. Then authorize the connection between PayPal and QuickBooks. Once connected, you will be asked to configure a few things. First, choose the PayPal balance account that QuickBooks will use to track your PayPal funds. Then select the deposit amount, which is the bank account where you transfer money from PayPal. Next, choose how far back you would like to import historical PayPal transactions. You can import up to last 6 months or select a custom start date. Be careful not to import transactions that already exist in QuickBooks, as this could create duplicate entries. You'll also have the option to let QuickBooks automatically record your PayPal transactions or require manual review before they are added to your books. Choose the option that best fits your workflow, then click Save to complete the setup. Once the integration is active, go to Integration Transactions to review the PayPal transactions that have been imported. From there, you can confirm new transactions or match them with existing records already in QuickBooks. And that's how to connect PayPal to QuickBooks Online using PayPal Connector. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.